Imagine a world where the U.S. Coast Guard, responsible parties, and oil spill response organizations stand united, ready to protect lives, the environment, and restore operations when disaster strikes. Disaster Tech's PRATUS makes this unified responsibility a reality. Picture this. A major oil spill releases thousands of gallons of crude oil into busy waters, threatening marine life, ports, and coastal communities. The Coast Guard acts quickly, coordinating with the responsible party, OSROs, state agencies, NOAA, and interagency partners, all in real time, fully aligned with the National Contingency Plan. But legacy systems create silos, slow decisions, and duplicate efforts. That's where PRATUS comes in. Built for interoperability, PRATUS bridges communication gaps across federal, state, and local partners. Its AI-driven chatbot streamlines incident action plans, eliminating silos and enabling faster data-driven decisions. With an open, input-agnostic architecture, you can pull data from any source and integrate with a wide range of systems, all while keeping full ownership of your data. As a Microsoft Premier partner, PRATUS meets users where they already work, with familiar tools like Teams and Copilot. Its patented integration creates one pane of glass for unified communication and frictionless information sharing across the response organization. A common operating picture tracks personnel, equipment, and boom placement in real time, connecting the Coast Guard chain of command with the responsible party and oil spill response organization partners. PRATUS doesn't just streamline communication, it's a decision support platform. Where should containment start? Which resources should be deployed first? PRATUS delivers predictive analytics and AI-guided answers. The platform streamlines documentation management, making it easy to retrieve records, conduct after-action reviews, apply lessons learned, update contingency plans, and set up and run exercises. It's more than software. It's a force multiplier for your organization's capabilities. PRATUS empowers the Coast Guard, responsible parties, and OSROs to observe, orient, decide, and act as one across domains, tenants, and threats. Because when disaster strikes, every second counts.